The origin of keys. Ancient Egyptians used wooden locks 4,000 years ago. We use keys everyday: house keys, car keys, locker keys. They're so common, we barely notice them. But did you know the first keys appeared more than 4,000 years ago in ancient Egypt? And they weren't made of metal at all, they were made of wood. The Egyptians invented the first pin tumbler lock, a design that's still the basis for many locks today. Imagine a large wooden bolt securing a door, with holes drilled into it. Inside those holes, small wooden pins dropped into place, holding the bolt shut. To open it, you needed a special wooden key shaped with pegs that matched the pins. Slide it in, lift the pins, and the bolt could move. Door unlocked. It was simple but genius. These early locks were huge, sometimes as long as 2 feet. Carrying the key was like walking around with a wooden club. Not very pocket-friendly, but for the time it worked. The idea spread to Mesopotamia, where locks and keys became symbols of wealth and status. Having a lock meant you owned something valuable enough to protect. Keys weren't just tools, they were signs of trust, often carried by the most responsible family member or servant. By the time of ancient Rome, keys had evolved into smaller, more practical metal designs. Roman smiths created iron and bronze keys, some so beautifully crafted they looked like jewelry. Wealthy Romans even wore their keys as rings, combining security with style. If you saw someone wearing a key ring in Rome, it meant they had property, wealth, and the authority to lock it up. Through the Middle Ages, locksmiths continued refining their craft. Keys became more intricate, with elaborate designs meant to confuse thieves. The more complex the keys, cuts, and grooves, the harder it was to copy. Locks weren't just security devices, they were works of art. Then came the 18th and 19th centuries, when inventors like Robert Barron and Linus Yale revolutionized lock technology. Barron improved the lever lock, while Yale perfected the modern pin tumbler lock in the 1860s. His design, slim and practical, gave us the flat keys we still use in our doors today. From giant wooden sticks in ancient Egypt to sleek metal keys on your keychain, the journey of the key tells a story of innovation, security, and trust. And now, in the digital age, we're moving again toward key cards, smart locks, and even fingerprint access. But no matter how advanced technology gets, the humble key remains one of humanity's oldest symbols of safety and belonging.